How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today, I'm going to review this iDoo carpet cleaner. Does it work? What are the features? How does it compare to a full-size carpet cleaner? Let me first unbox it. User manual. Nothing else inside. The dirty water tank, the clean water tank. Here are the accessories. You have a cleaning brush, mainly to go through the hoses, and also the big one. The water comes out of this nozzle, sprays downwards onto your surface. You use these bristles to manually push it back and forth to brush on the surface, and the front over here will suck up all the water that's left over. This smaller one will spray water, but there are no brushes over here, and it will suck up the water at the front. Both of these have a clear front, so you can see all the water being sucked away, and it also helps you see if the water is dirty still, so you can stop cleaning. This is a hose attachment bracket. There are two end caps for the clean water. There's an extra one in case you need it. Water inlet filters and the dirty water air inlet filter. The hose comes a little bit loose, so you attach this bracket onto here and push it down until it snaps. Notice on the left side there's a little cutout. That's for this hose, so you just snap it in like this, and it's held in place. The nozzle head can also be held onto it like that, and the cord can be bundled up and hung right here. With this additional nozzle head, you can just shove it in between. For the clean water side, you can just pull it out, flip it upside down, and fill it through this hole. There's this end cap that you twist on here to close it up, so when you flip it over, it does not drip. On the clean water side, here is the filter. Maybe I can get it out with a screwdriver. It's a little hard. Kind of pull it out right there, and it gives you two more of these to replace. And we'll take a look at the dirty side. Pull this up. The dirty water will come out of this hole, and air will get sucked in from this hole. So if I go in there and pull this sponge out, you got one of these filters here, and it also comes with two more for you to change. There's a max level here, and there's also a floaty thing to make it stop sucking if it gets full. The clean water tank holds 1.3 liters of water. Let me fill this up, put the cap back on. Remember to only put clean water in here, not any kind of cleaning solution. That's not recommended. If you want to put cleaning solution, you gotta spray it manually yourself on the carpet. Let's put this on here. To turn it on, push the power button and the vacuum will turn on. To turn it off, you push the power button again, but it takes about 2 seconds before it fully stops. The suction is mainly at the front edge over here. Let's see it spray. This is a 600 watt device. Let's see how much it uses. Depending on the load, is up to 600 watts. I'm going to use plain water to clean this step. And in this bottle, I'll have some carpet cleaner. I'll put it on this step and clean it and see the dirty water come out. I'm surprised that the water works pretty well. It even removes some of the stains that was in the carpet. It doesn't seem like you absolutely need carpet cleaner, but it will help shampoo it a little bit. We're gonna try it with this one and see if we can see a difference. First though, let's see the dirty water. It's light gray. I've seen it much worse than this. I'm gonna pour this out so we don't mix it with the second trial. After using the vacuum, it's noticeably damp. It's a bit more damp than my full-size carpet cleaner, which has way more suction power. You would expect that since this is a bit smaller, but it's gonna do the job and clean the carpet. Spray a little bit of carpet cleaner everywhere. Let's check out the dirty water. It's a bit foamy, roughly the same darkness as the amount I had before, but there's more water in here. This is definitely best for small jobs because my hand is getting a little bit tired from rubbing all over just one stair here. The full-size one has brushes that would rotate on its own, so I don't have to manually brush the carpet. This will be good for spot cleaning and cleaning upholstery on your furniture. If you guys are interested in getting this iDoo carpet cleaner, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below.